In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge contacts in HubSpot, a crucial skill for keeping your CRM neat, organized, and efficient. Managing contacts effectively can significantly enhance the way you and your team interact with clients and leads. Let's dive into the process to make sure you retain the best data while eliminating any redundancies. First, you'll want to navigate to the contact you intend to keep as your primary record. This initial step is key because the contact you select here will be your main point of reference and retention after the merge. Open up the contact record in HubSpot and you're ready to start. Next, look for the Actions menu. This is usually found within the Contact Preview section. Clicking on this will present you with a drop-down menu filled with various options concerning this contact. Among those options, you'll see Merge, which is exactly what we need for our task today. Selecting Merge is where we begin the transformation from two separate entries to one consolidated contact. Upon selecting Merge Sasamui, a pop-up window will appear, guiding you through the next stage of the process. In this window, you have a drop-down list from which you'll choose the secondary contact, the one you wish to combine into your primary contact. Take your time to make sure you're selecting the correct contact to merge. Clarity here will ensure no valuable information is lost. Once your secondary contact is selected, it's time to confirm the merge. You'll find a Merge button within this pop-up, and clicking it finalizes the action. HubSpot then undertakes the heavy lifting, merging all properties from the secondary contact into the primary one. This encompasses emails, notes, and any other data entries associated with the contact. After the merger is complete, you should take a moment to review the newly combined data. This review helps ensure everything has transferred correctly and allows for any necessary adjustments or updates. Remember, this newly merged contact will streamline communication and data retrieval across your team. There are some important considerations to be mindful of during this process. Firstly, the contact you began with will become your primary contact, so ensure this is the correct contact to lead your ongoing interactions. HubSpot is designed to transfer all properties from the secondary contact seamlessly, so you can rest assured that data transfer is both thorough and efficient. If the contacts you're merging have duplicate emails or very similar email addresses, HubSpot uses these as identifiers to align records appropriately, so double-check these details. Lastly, if you're part of a team that frequently engages with these contacts, it's wise to inform your colleagues about the merge to prevent any potential confusion or miscommunication. And there you have it. Merging contacts in HubSpot is straightforward, yet the efficiency it brings to your CRM can be game-changing. Happy merging!